I was heartbroken, watching my hair fall every day. It felt weak, and I didn't know what to do. But I knew I needed something gentle, something natural. So I gathered simple ingredients, carefully and with hope. I start with castor oil, to strengthen my roots again. Then coconut oil, to deeply nourish my hair. Then fresh aloe vera, to soothe and hydrate the scalp. Finally, 3 drops of rosemary oil. Then I gently mix everything together. Now I gently coat every strand, from root to tip, letting the mask wrap my hair in pure nourishment. Sometimes, all we need is a little care and patience to bloom again. If this helped you, join me on this journey.